Alright, so I got both sides of the rim on, and new bolts. So I'll pop air in this real quick, see how it inflates up. I find this type of attachment really cool. I've had it for years, but it takes a lot of stress off of holding off the stuff, and also used as a gripper. Pull that valve out. Dial's broken, so, but as we can see, it's purty. So I'm going to hang it, set it aside for when I'm ready to put the wheels back on, but that is how you assemble a Gravely with a new ag tire. So there you have it. That's today's demo. Y'all, thanks for watching.